Joining me now is New York Times bestselling author Dr. John LaPuma.
Dr. John LaPuma.
Dr. John LaPuma.
Dr. John LaPuma. Doctor, good to see you, sir.
Great to be back in Chicago. You know, we've moved inside as a species. We're spending 93% of our time indoors.
Too much sugar burns out your metabolism. Too many pixels burn out your brain. Your brain simply is overwhelmed by how much digital information there is to process.
What is constant indoor life doing to us?
So you are connecting this indoor epidemic to dis-ease.
That's right.
How many different kinds of diseases would you point to and say, I bet some sunshine in the morning might help you out?
Insomnia, immune deficits, insulin deficiency, isolation, myopia.
He has this new book called Indoor Epidemic. And
Get this bold quote from the book. Every hour you spend sealed inside is an hour your body quietly and prematurely ages.
Yes. I reviewed 2,200 studies to try to figure out what the minimum effective dose of being outside in nature would be to improve our health and well-being and to improve our longevity.
The minimum effective dose is 2 hours a week. 2 hours a week is only 17 minutes a day. Being outdoors fixes your biology actively. It's powerful what outdoors can do.
And not only do you feel better, you actually are measurably better. Cardiovascular benefits to being outside: lower blood pressure, lower cortisol level, lower stress level.